Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your font files for Cricut Design Space. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your computer and locate the font files you want to back up. Fonts are typically found in the Fonts folder on your device. On Windows, navigate to C:\Windows\fonts to access your installed fonts. For Mac users, open Finder and go to the Applications folder, then select Font Book to find your fonts. Select the font files you wish to back up. If you want to back up multiple fonts, hold down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on Mac while clicking each font. Once selected, right-click on the highlighted fonts. Choose the option to copy the files. Next, create a new folder where you will store your backup. You can create this folder anywhere convenient, such as your desktop or an external drive. Right-click inside the new folder and select Paste to transfer the copied font files. Make sure all fonts are successfully pasted into the backup folder. To ensure everything is secure, consider compressing the folder into a zip file. On Windows, right-click the folder and select Send to, then click Compressed, Zipped, Folder. On a Mac, right-click the folder and choose Compress. This step will make it easier to store and transfer your backup. Now that your fonts are backed up, you can easily restore them if needed. To restore, simply extract the zip file and place the fonts back in the Fonts folder. Remember to restart Cricut Design Space after reinstalling any fonts to refresh the application. Your fonts are now safely backed up and ready for future use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.